Are you tired of waking up every morning with stiff joints or aching knees? For many people, joint pain becomes a normal part of life. But what if I told you it's a simple drink you can prepare before bed that can actually reduce inflammation overnight, help you sleep better, and let you wake up without pain? Stay with me until the end of this video because you're about to discover a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to soothe the body, strengthen the bones, and fight inflammation, all while you rest. Joint pain is one of the most common health struggles as we get older. Sometimes it's from arthritis. Sometimes it's from long hours of standing, working, or even exercising. The pain usually gets worse at night and first thing in the morning. That's because while we're asleep, our joints become less lubricated and inflammation builds up in the body. But the right combination of natural ingredients can calm this inflammation and give your joints the recovery they desperately need. Here's the surprising part. You don't need expensive medicine or complicated supplements. The secret lies in a golden drink made with just 3 ingredients: milk, turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. When combined, these simple items create a powerful anti-inflammatory mix that works like nature's own pain reliever. Let's break it down. First, turmeric. This bright yellow spice is famous for its compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been studied by scientists for decades and is known to reduce inflammation in the joints, ease stiffness, and even protect cartilage from further damage. It's often referred to as nature's ibuprofen, but without the harmful side effects. Next, black pepper. Why add pepper to a drink? Because pepper contains a compound called piperine, which boosts your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without pepper, most of the turmeric would just pass through your system. With pepper, your body can actually use it. And finally, warm milk. Milk is naturally rich in calcium and vitamin D, both of which support stronger bones and healthier joints. Warm milk also has a soothing effect on the body, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. So here's how you make this simple bedtime drink. Take 1 cup of milk. Warm it gently, not boiling, just enough so that it feels comforting to drink. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Sprinkle in a small pinch of black pepper. Stir it well until the golden color spreads evenly through the milk. And that's it. Your nighttime joint relief drink is ready. Drink this about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. The turmeric and pepper will begin reducing inflammation as you sleep, while the warm milk calms your body and prepares you for deep rest. What can you expect? For many people, the results come quickly. Within just a few nights, you may notice that your joints feel less stiff in the morning. Your knees don't ache as much when you get out of bed. And over time, with consistent use, this nightly habit can help restore mobility, reduce swelling, and even improve your overall bone strength. Of course, results vary from person to person, but the key is consistency. Make it a part of your nightly routine, just like brushing your teeth. Stick with it for at least 2 weeks, and you'll likely notice the difference. And here's a bonus tip. If you want to boost the effect even more, try adding a small piece of fresh ginger while warming the milk. Ginger has additional anti-inflammatory properties and works beautifully with turmeric. It adds a slightly spicy flavor that blends perfectly into this golden bedtime drink. Remember, joint pain doesn't have to control your mornings. With a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can wake up feeling lighter, stronger, and free of stiffness. No harsh medications, no complicated supplements, just natural relief, the way it's been done for generations. So tonight, give this drink a try. 1 cup before bed may be all you need to finally wake up without joint pain. When you see the results for yourself, let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies, health tips, and life hacks that actually work. Your journey to healthier joints, deeper sleep, and better mornings can start tonight. With a warm golden glass of turmeric milk,